Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang monthly reading ninyo for March 2026. General reading, so pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Beware of fake accounts. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, o kaya dyan sa link sa comment section or sa description. Okay? So let's begin. Cancer, what's the energy for the month of March? March 2026 para sa mga Cancerians. What is the energy? You've outgrown that BS. Now act like it. Okay. So for you, aalis kayo sa isang toxic environment. Anything that is no longer serving you, marami kang realization, no? Na ayaw mo na ng drama, ayaw mo na ng mga issues around you. Yung mga connections, friendships, or even, iba sa inyo pwedeng sa social media, no? Na parang annoyed na kayo sa mga issue ng ibang tao na nakikita nyo na pinopost. So, yung iba sa inyo mag-uninstall kayo ng app, o kaya mag-delete kayo ng account, o talagang totally hindi na kayo gagamit ng app na yon. Or limited na lang yung mga apps na gagamitin nyo. You're done with the drama. So, example rin, ba, may kaibigan ka na puro problema na lang laging sinishare sa'yo. Iiwasan mo na kasi, kumbaga, binibigyan mo siya ng advice. Pero wala naman, kahit humihingi siya ng advice, di naman niya ginagawa yung advice mo. So, parang para sa'yo, okay, bala ka sa buhay mo, ganun. Your comfort zone is a trap. Ayan. So, whatever is limiting you right now, I feel like you are aalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan. You will realize na ito palang nagbibigay sa'yo ng comfort sa ngayon. Yan pala yung nagiging dahilan para sa mabagal na pag-unlad mo. Your comfort zone, yan yung obstacle ng growth para sa iba sa inyo. It's a trap. So you might be leaving that situation. Trust your gut unless it's telling you to text them. Okay, so when it comes to relationships, meron ka talagang iiwasan na. A person that is can be toxic or talagang nagdadala lang sa'yo ng stress sa buhay. Or anyone, can be friend or romantic partner or a family member na puro ka-toxican lang yung dinadala sa buhay mo. So, you're going to let go of them, cut them off sa buhay mo. Moderation. So, this is bringing balance into your life. I also see this as health concerns para sa iba sa inyo, Cancer, na like drinking in moderation, eating in moderation. So, kumbaga, mayroon kang nililimit sa sarili mo na anything na sobra, alam mo na makakasama sa'yo. Diba? So, we can have the nice things in life or mga wants natin as long as it's in moderation. Hindi naman tayo sumusobra para healthy lang, no? Ganon. Kahit sa mga paggastos-gastos, diba? In moderation. Na kung ano lang yung naka-allocate na pera, yun lang yung gagastusin mo. Para pagdating ng time ng mga ilangan ka, hindi ka mamumroblema. Diba? Ayan. Intuition. Sabi rito, you have to trust your gut, your instinct, your intuition. So, syempre, magiging on point yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo in making decisions. And even yung pag-feel ng energy sa paligid mo, like if there is someone na alam mong medyo off yung energy na feeling mo the intention is not good, o kaya merong hindi magandang influence sa'yo, tong taong to, or even the situation, yan ay iiwasan mo na. So, your overall energy for this month is the Ace of Pentacles. So, this is new beginning for you. New beginning in your career, business. Yung iba, very optimistic. No? Positibo yung pananaw nyo sa mga magsisimula sa buhay ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, may sisimulang negosyo or may investment kayo ngayong March. Or even a job. And then your challenge is the Three of Pentacles. So, minsan kasi Pag tayo ay nagkaroon ng trust issue sa ibang tao, pati ibang tao nadadamay, na parang ayaw mo na magtiwala. So, yung iba sa inyo, parang you want to work on your own na yung solo ka lang. Ayaw mo na collaborate with others. But, syempre, case-to-case basis. Kung kailangan naman talaga makipag-collaborate and you feel like this is going to help you, then do it. Kasi meron ditong opportunities for you na to work with other people. Syempre, pipiliin mo lang yung mga taong alam mong maayos kasama, maayos ka trabaho. Your opportunity is the 5 of Pentacles. So, meron ka ayusin sa finances mo. 5 of Pentacles is instability. So, kaya siguro may moderation dito or balance is because maaring medyo napagastos ka ng mga nakaraan. So, ngayong March, you have the opportunity to fix your finances. Lalo na't nagiging aware ka sa situation mo na medyo nag-aalangan ang kaperahan. Another thing is your opportunity na ayusin rin yung kalusugan mo. Pwede kasing medyo napabayaan mo for some reasons. Yung iba sa inyo tinamad mag-exercise, or kung ano man yung health goals ninyo, routines ninyo, hindi nyo nagagawa. So, ngayong March, babawi kayo. Okay? Now, your blessing is the 7 of Cups. Maraming opportunities for you ngayong March. Kaya lang hindi lahat yan ay makakabuti para sa'yo. Kaya nga, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo is going to help you in making that decision. Alin dyan? Saang daan ka dadaan? Anong path yung tatahakin mo? Aling trabaho, business, or career ang pipiliin mo? At sino yung mga taong pakikisamahan mo? So, be very sensitive rin sa paligid, no? Pwede kasing meron dyan, hinihintay kang magkamali. But, as a blessing, you will be able to choose the best option para sa'yo. Now, your focus is, the world. Your focus is achieving something, achieving your goals, your dreams, and this is also closing a chapter sa buhay mo na alam mong hindi na nagsaserve ng highest good mo. Yung iba sa inyo, if you have plans of working abroad, traveling abroad, that can be a focus for you ngayong March na mag-ayos ng papers, ng requirements, at ng kung ano-ano pa para ma-pursue na yan at makapagsimula ka na. Okay, let's see. You have someone you know is undependable and insincere. Ito yung nga yung sinasabi ko rin sa inyo na piliin yung mga taong makakasama, yung hayaan mo na may impluwensyahan ka. Dahil hindi lahat yan magandang influence sa'yo or yung intention ay mabuti. Okay? So, your instinct or intuition will tell you sino tong mga to, sino yung dapat iwasan, ano yung dapat gawin. Great worry over nothing. So, iwasan mo rin yung pag-overthink. Kasi minsan, pag puro overthinking tayo, wala na tayong nagagawa. Hindi pa problema, iniisip na agad natin na pwedeng maging problema yon. So, kung lagi mo iisipin, baka nga maging problema yon. So, control, iwasan ang pag-overthink at yung especially negative thinking. Dealings or relationship with a man with blonde, gray, or white hair. So, this can be an important person sa buhay mo. This can be a foreigner. This can be your boss or partner. Connection mo sa ibang bansa. Spiritual guidance, protection from harm. Diba? You are always protected. Meron kang spiritual guides. Meron kang ancestors who are there protecting you from harm, guiding you through. Soul growth. Growth is never easy. Have faith and trust in the journey. That is true. Minsan, uncomfortable ang pagbabago. Pero dun kasi tayo nakaka-experience ng pag-unlad. So, be open doon sa growth na yan. Honor your soul and celebrate its journey. Yeah. I think that's part of the soul's growth, no? More on very spiritual than yung energies or yung mga experiences ninyo ngayong March. It's about shedding the old skin, letting go of the things that are no longer serving you or people that are no longer serving your highest good. Part niya ng journey mo. May mga times na masasaktan ka or parang you feel bad about the situation, but eventually this is for your own good. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.